the next big thing in artificial intelligence. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the latest advancements in AI tools and how they are revolutionizing various industries. But before we dive in, let's take a look at the rise and fall of ChatGPT, the first popular AI tool that has now been dethroned. ChatGPT was an incredible breakthrough, enabling human-like conversations and assisting users in various tasks. However, the AI landscape is ever-evolving, and now AI websites have taken the center stage. AI websites combine the power of artificial intelligence with the versatility of websites, creating a whole new world of possibilities. Today, we'll introduce you to 12 insane new AI tools that can help you start earning $5,000 per month with AI. Dectopus AI, your on-demand presentation generator. Simply enter your input and watch as AI generates the perfect presentation for you. Say goodbye to time-consuming presentation-making processes. Magical, the GPT-powered calendar that takes meeting notes for you. Fly through your schedule and eliminate the need for note-taking. Best of all, it's absolutely free. Seodity, the all-in-one SEO tool with domain analysis, AI content creation, easy teamwork, and automations. Take your website's search engine optimization to the next level. Cascadeur, a standalone software designed for 3D keyframe animation. It assists in posing, physics, and secondary motion, making the animation process smoother and more efficient. Lunacy, a free AI-powered design tool that seamlessly integrates into your computer, allowing for effortless editing and designing. Caber, start with just a few words or upload your own image and witness your ideas transform into captivating visuals. Experience it for yourself and unleash your creativity. HelpHub, build your very own custom ChatGPT chatbot in just 2 simple steps, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Enhance your website's user experience with interactive AI-powered chatbots. Knowledge, automatically convert documents, text, video, audio, into dynamic active learning content using AI. Unlock the potential of your knowledge and make learning engaging. CastMagic, imagine ChatGPT on steroids for your long-form audio. With CastMagic, you can create summaries, write timestamps for chapters, browse the best quotes in a podcast, and more, all in a matter of seconds. Movie Deep Search, discover hidden gem movies perfectly tailored to your search intention. With an AI-based recommendation system, all movies have an equal chance of being discovered. Mage, convert your data into actionable predictions. Build, train, and implement predictive models swiftly using AI. Unleash the power of data-driven decision-making. TextBlaze, an AI Chrome extension that automates typing and eliminates mistakes with customizable templates. Boost your productivity and say goodbye to repetitive typing tasks. These 12 AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the vast potential of AI websites. By embracing these cutting-edge tools, you can stay ahead of the game and unlock new opportunities for success. Start learning AI tools for free and get massively ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and leave a comment below to support our content. Thanks for watching.